We got bottom cord truss done. There's a dovetail here. Then the top cord plugs into here. Then underneath, there's a mortise pocket for housing for a knee brace. Truss web. Mortise. And then this is where it connects to the main aisle. Work.
Theoretically, this guy goes on there, and if this works, it means it'll fit on that bottom cord of that
Moment
truss.
of truth. Let's give it a try.
I think that's gonna be a beautiful fit. I'm worried about that it's not gonna come out.
It's just a little bit on these two, on this edge. Here, I'll show you. But it's just a little tight here. But otherwise, look at that. So we're gonna clean it out just a hair, just a smidge. And I'll try this again. I was sitting around this morning, or it was last night. I was like, man, why does my body hurt? Am I getting old? It's not like we're carrying around timbers. And then we just kind of looked at each other and was like, well, that's kind of what we're doing all day.
Exactly what we're doing.
So what is this? Piece 1, 2, 3, this is piece 4, but really this is the first one that we're actually fitting and marrying to its matching piece. Matched and fitted piece. Too much? Yeah, dude. Look at that. Here, push it forward this way. There it is. Back that way, right there. Look at that. Woohoo! You did it, man. Oh no! I keep thinking that the top cord lays on top of this, so it's not going to be 8 feet. We just lopped off from the 16 feet, minus a foot, minus 2 feet, 13 feet, so it's only going to be up to 6.5 feet. But it's like right here, see? So it's not a very big piece. Gosh, this looks beautiful. I am so excited. I am so excited. All right, sand it, finish it, and label it. These two are married. Till death do them part.
What's your